Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are just going to look at what we are going to unbox in the upcoming 2 weeks. So let's start with some Matchbox this time because I have a lot of it and I'm yet to unbox those. So I just handpicked a few which I wanted to unbox first. Let's start with this. So this one here, okay, let's put some light here. This one here is the 1994 Lexus LS 400. So this one is a special edition, and so next is this one. So 2016 Ford Interceptor utility. Okay. So this one is my favorite, personal favorite. The Chevy Camaro convertible. So here is the another special edition, which is the Ford Police Interceptor. And this one is also my personal favorite. And this is a Chevy El Camino, and I loved this casting so much, but I just want to see how it feels in the hand. It looked really nice, so I bought it. And this one is, a lot of people were trying for this one, and I was lucky to lucky I actually got this one. This is a Jeep Gladiator. This casting looked so cool, so I bought this one. And this one was really hard to get because this one was like one in a, I think 3 or 4 boxes if I'm not wrong, because I didn't see one in one box when it came. So I was lucky to get this. So we are going to unbox a few more 1 is to 38, I guess 38 or 36 castings, so which is from RMZ. So this one is released in India recently. So this one is the Supra. So here in India, this one is imported by Reliance, so you can pretty much get it in all this even grocery shops nowadays. So here's the Dodge Challenger, I think Challenger Demon, I guess this one. Yeah, that's the Demon. Okay, and another one, this is a Chevy Camaro SS. So I loved this color, so I bought this one. It looked really nice. So I really want to see how RMZ's casting looks, because I do own a few Lamborghinis, but I never opened it so far. So here is one of my personal favorite, the Corvette Stingray. And last but not least, there are 2 more which I am really excited to unbox. The first one is this. So the McLaren 600 LT from LCD models. This one looks really awesome. It has a lot of great detailing to it. So we are going to unbox this one. And the final one, I'm pretty sure a lot of people will love this one for sure, which is this. So the BMW M3 E46 GTR from NMS Most Wanted. So this one is a limited edition, so that's what they mentioned. So this one, they I think produced it only like 999 pieces. So if you see, you can see the numbering here, minus 922 out of 999. So this one is actually, as far as I know, it is not exactly licensed. So but this is made in China. So this one is by manufacturer called Ghost Player. I never heard about this particular manufacturer much, but you can't hesitate to buy a M3 GTR, right? That too, the legendary one which we all played and are still playing in NMS Most Wanted. This looks absolutely beautiful, so I'm just going to unbox this. So I'm really happy that I actually got this one. And out of everything I own, even my personal favorites Lamborghini, but this one is something out of your dream collection, you can say, that you are having it in your hands. Okay, so that's it guys. So stay tuned for all this unboxing in this upcoming 2 weeks, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.